exciting day for us and our partners at ADASTEC launching today's new bus.
I think this is the beauty of having a living lab here. You are able to prove yourself here and then export the technology to other places.
This deployment is really important because it's one of the only full-size automated transit deployments in the United States.
I think that the opportunity to have this specific technology accessible to our students and our faculty to be able to continue to build on it and continue to innovate over the years to come.
This is the place where generally we try the technology first. This campus helps us to try the things that we will be deploying to our commercial vehicles.